Welcome to Between the Covers. Here we have Bug by Maggie Lee for preschoolers 2 years and up. In this 20-page die-cut board book, readers can follow along with every stage of Bug's transformation into a beautiful butterfly. Something is hiding in the plants. Can you see it peeking out? It's Bug crawling on a leaf. The die-cut caterpillar will keep young readers visually engaged throughout the story. Bug is a tiny furry caterpillar, a very hungry caterpillar. You can always tell where Bug has been. Bug likes to nibble the lily pads on the pond. Bug has lots of growing to do and needs food to eat. But frogs need food too. Watch out for the sticky tongue, little Bug. Next, Bug chomps through the grassy meadow. Oh no, look out for heavy footsteps, tiny Bug. Luckily, green Bug hides in the long grass. You see some other bugs and insects pictured as well. There are lots of delicious apples to munch and crunch. Bug loves apples, but so does the big bird. Bug, the bird, and the apple fly high in the sky. Bug wriggles free. Plunk! Bug is still hungry and crawls up a tree to find more to eat. Up and up and up. At last, Bug is ready. Bug makes a tiny house called a chrysalis. Can you see Bug tucked cozily inside? Little Bug is about to go through some big changes. Busy Bug twists and turns, wriggles and wiggles. After days and days, Bug reappears. Hello, butterfly. Something magical has happened. Bug is now a beautiful butterfly. Spreading new wings, butterfly zips through the air. Butterfly loves to drink nectar from the flowers. Once a tiny caterpillar, Bug is now a wonderful butterfly. It's time to start the journey again. Butterfly finds the perfect leaf to lay eggs. And inside those small eggs, there is another hungry little Bug.